Alrighty, so day 2. This is probably gonna be really bad lighting, so I'm gonna do this. So day 2, I couldn't finish everything off on the first day. I said I was gonna take you guys to the store with me to get some transmission fluid, but to be honest, all I did was the same day ship to home. It just makes so much more sense, and here it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take you guys outside and finish off the truck. It should be something J, Pneumatic J or something like that. Matic J, something like that. Let's see. Yeah, Matic J. So, can't get it to. That's what you want to look for when it comes to the Nissan Frontier, the Matic J. It takes 11 quarts, so I got 2 of these guys and a small one. And then, because my car, the truck also likes to leak a lot of antifreeze or coolant, we got another one of these guys. Only in Florida, man. It rains when it's super sunny out. Oh, it's all right for me. Because all that means is I'm gonna have a nice little bit of shade when I'm doing this work, because it is hot as heck. All right, so this is where I left off. I've got everything pretty much done, everything hooked back up. All I need to do realistically is this now, just seat all of these guys back into here and then put it right back into the truck. So I actually can't do anything by myself, so I got my boy Javi over here that just showed up to help me finish with the truck. Oh, sir.
Hey.
Sir. Oh, man. What's up, dude?
How you doing, brother?
Feeling out, bro. So my idea was I was gonna take these ramps and I was gonna put them on the back of the wheels over here and then roll the truck up backwards onto it. And that'll at least give me just a little bit more lift where I need, because I can fit under it right now.
You can? Okay.
Yeah, we both can for sure. Right now we can fit under it.
Yeah.
It's just too snug. So my boy has a super sick project going on. I don't know if, can we talk about it yet?
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, so wait, so go ahead. What is it, dude?
So it's a 1973 Toyota Corona Deluxe station wagon.
Jesus, man.
4-speed RT89 body style with an 18R engine.
We're not gonna do any filming on that for
Probably until next week.
next week. Okay, sick. So we'll do filming on that next week. So in 1 week, man.
Yeah.
In 1 week, I'm excited. I'm excited.
Whether it's running or not, we can still.
Whether it's running or not, you heard the man himself. Whether it's running or not,
we can definitely put it in a video and get an intro going.
dude, I'm terrified.
I was gonna stand behind it, but I don't think I want to.
Yeah, that's a terrible idea. Alright, I can't turn it on, obviously. It'll fuck everything up.
Yeah, you're good.
I wouldn't even roll.
Should I push it?
Yeah. We're so close, bro. We're so fucking close. Dude, it's like right on the edge.
Don't make me laugh, I'm gonna lose it.
Oh, yes. Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Oh, we did it. Oh, shit.
Okay. That was great, dude.
That was.
We're men. I'm laying on a bunch of shit. Ow, my head. Okay. So first, I think we should maybe prop the TCM on this thing.
Okay.
And then work on connecting stuff. I don't want to set it here. Oh.
Should I tilt it up?
I'm just trying to figure out how to get my. Actually, we're gonna have to drop this down just one. Oops, that was too much. Let's try. Okay. All right. Yeah, I can see a lot better. Oh, my head.
intend to pull.
The thing is, we need to be careful because once this is connected up here, if it drops, it'll pull and break.
Okay.
There it is. Yes, I did it. So far, we've been able to put the TCM into place. We got to connect these connectors. Oh my God, I almost messed up so bad, dude. We got to connect these connectors real quick and then just put the bolts back in order in the right place. There's like 5 short bolts and then 6 long bolts, and I should be able to be, because yeah, perfect. I've got the picture too, so yeah. I'm gonna do that and then we'll go from there. An indexing screw goes right here. It just kind of centers everything up. Okay, so I think for the most part we're good. I did it. Okay. I think we're good. Cool. All right, now pan and done. All right, so
if you give me a bolt, we can do the corner and corner.
Bet.
You hold it and I do a corner, and then you hold it.
All right, I think I should be okay. I know they weren't crazy tight.
Yeah, I don't want to make them too tight.
Break them.
Yeah.
All right, so I think that's good. All right, dude. Moment of truth. All right. So now all we're doing is adding the transmission fluid. Jesus Christ, dude. This is the worst type of feeling on earth.
What?
When your clothes just like stick to you.
Yeah, you kind of just
feel like
a wet noodle.
Feels awful. All right. This. And this is bone dry. Bone dry. All right. I'm actually really nervous, dude.
Yeah.
Like I'm not even gonna lie. Like I'm actually kind of nervous because for one, we don't fix cars.
We don't.
We're not mechanics, you and I. We suck.
Not yet.
Not yet, not ever. I don't want to ever be a mechanic, dude. It's not in my. I want a mechanic for myself. I don't want a mechanic for anybody else. Now I'll put it inside. So I am a cord short, which should not really affect too much as far as turning on the truck. But we're gonna turn it on and hopefully nothing falls out. All right.
It's gonna reset everything, so your radio and all.
Here, I'm trying to start it with the beamer keys. Here we go, guys. She's dead.
She's alive, yeah.
Hell yeah, bro. It's a little loud.
A little loud.
That's a belt, right? Yeah. Okay, it's in drive. Let's see. So again, the problem that I was having before is it wasn't shifting into second gear. It just shifted.
Shifted.
It shifted again. Go. Yes! Sorry, I fixed my truck. Sorry. Yeah. Certified, yes, baby. All right, let me go the other way. Dude, yes. It's going right. Dude, I mean, I thought before it was like
yeah.
It was a bucking Bronco, bro. I'm just gonna go around here. I'm gonna leave it on for just a tad bit more. I'm gonna go put some gas in it, and then I'm gonna roll around the fucking town like a pimp. Finally, the truck is operational, ready to go. I'm gonna do a couple videos of me actually driving it around to show you guys that it's actually shifting correctly, besides the video that we already did. But this thing is solid. Solid.